How to connect the mic to GoPro. The first step is to check your GoPro model. So confirm your model supports external microphones. If it does, then you can proceed to get the correct mic adapter by using the official GoPro mic adapter or a compatible USB-C audio adapter alternative. Now, once that's been done, go ahead and plug the mic into the adapter by connecting your microphone to the adapter securely, and then connect your adapter to the GoPro by plugging the adapter into your GoPro's USB-C port. Alright, and now you can begin configuring your audio by turning on the GoPro and checking the audio input settings if there are any available, because some models automatically detect the mic. Now you could also test the audio to, you know, make sure everything works by recording a short clip and listening back to make sure the microphone is working. You can improve your quality by using a wind screen outdoors and keep your microphone close for clearer sound. All right.